Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to set up Google Password Manager. Here are the easy steps to set up and use Google Password Manager on your Android device. Part 1. Enable Google Password Manager. Unlock your Android phone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Google. Scroll down and tap Password Manager under Signing in to other sites. If prompted, sign into your Google account. Part 2. Set up autosave and autofill. And the Password Manager screen, tap the gear icon for settings. Enable Offer to save passwords by turning the switch on. Enable Auto Sign In. This allows automatic login to save sites or apps. Go back to Settings, Privacy, scroll to tap Advanced or More. Then scroll down to find Autofill Service from Google. Make sure to make Google as your default autofill service. Then make sure you use autofill when Google is enabled. And done, Google Password Manager will now offer to save passwords when you log in to websites and apps. Autofill login info when you revisit them. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.